Sometimes we spend so much time of our life chasing things we think we should chase. Success, stability, approval, being enough for everyone around us. And without realizing it, we carry all of that on our shoulders every single day. Having expectation, fears of failing, fear of disappointing people, fear of falling behind, it gets heavy. So heavy that even breathe feels tiring. But I want to tell you something gently today. Not everything needs to be chased. Not every weight is meant to be carried forever. There are moments in life where holding on doesn't make you strong. It just makes you tired. If something feels too heavy right now, if you feel like you are forcing yourself just to keep going, it's really okay to put it down. Putting something down doesn't mean you're weak. It doesn't mean you gave up. Sometimes it means you finally choose yourself. We taught to push harder, try more, survive at all costs. But no one really teaches us how to rest, how to pause, how to stay, how to say, this is too much for me right now. And that's okay. You don't need to have everything figured out. You don't need to win every race, and you don't need to carry the future on your back. Try your best, yes, that's right, but also try to live gently. Let life breathe a little. Let yourself breathe a little. If something breaks, it doesn't mean your life is over. If something ends, it doesn't mean you're failed. Sometimes it just means it makes space for something lighter, something truer. What you should really chase in life isn't pressure, it's peace. And it's a moment where your heart feels calm. It's waking up and not feeling like you are running out of time. So if today feels heavy, I hope you allow yourself to drop some of the weight, slow down, release what you can't control. And remember, you're allowed to live without constantly proving your worth. You're doing enough, you are enough, and it's okay to move forward. Then softly. And I hope you feel much better after watching this video. And if you like it, please help me to move forward too. Just follow, subscribe, and like this video to give me more encouragement for me to live life a little less pressure. Goodbye everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.